First Valentine's Day gift for your boyfriend. What to get him? Valentine's Day is just around the corner. And if you're celebrating your first one with your boyfriend, you're probably wondering how to make it unique. Picking out the perfect gift can be a daunting task, especially when you want it to express your feelings without going overboard. Don't worry, we're here to help. This guide will walk you through thoughtful and creative first Valentine's Day gift ideas for your boyfriend, whether he's into hobbies, practical items, or sentimental keepsakes. By the end of this post, you'll have plenty of inspiration to choose a meaningful and personal present. Please subscribe to the channel for more creative tips like these. Why thoughtful gifts matter on your first Valentine's Day. Your first Valentine's Day together sets the tone for how you express affection in your relationship. It's a chance to show that you've been paying attention to what he likes and care deeply about making him feel special. A thoughtful gift doesn't have to be extravagant. It's the thought, effort, and personal touch that makes it meaningful. This leads us to an essential tip before jumping into ideas. Choose something that reflects his personality, interests, or something you've shared. Now, on to the ideas. Gift ideas to impress your boyfriend this Valentine's Day. 1. Personalized keepsakes. Customized gifts always have a unique charm. They show that you put extra thought and effort into making the gift unique. Suggestions. Engraved keychain. Add a special date, a short message, or his initials. Custom photo frame. Showcase your favorite picture together. A personalized wallet, embossed with his name or with a hidden card compartment where you can add a small note. Why it works. It's small, personal, and will remind him of you every time he uses it. 2. Practical gifts. He'll use every day. If your boyfriend values practicality, these types of gifts are sure to be appreciated. Suggestions. Stylish watch from a trusted mid-range brand. Tech accessories like a sleek phone stand, wireless charger, or noise-canceling earbuds. A high-quality backpack for work, travel, or hobbies. Why it works. Practical gifts show care and understanding of his needs while being functional. 3. Hobby-related gifts. If your boyfriend has a hobby or passion, getting him something that complements it is a thoughtful way to connect with his interests. Suggestions. Fitness buffs. A set of resistance bands, a water bottle with time markers, or a subscription to a fitness app. Gamers. A superb headset, custom controller covers, or a gift card for his favorite gaming platform. Music lovers. Vinyl records of his favorite artist, a portable Bluetooth speaker, or concert tickets. Why it works. Hobby-related gifts show that you pay attention to what excites him and support his passions. If you want to get the link to the products, you have to go to the blog article with the description. 4. Sentimental DIY gifts. If you're on a budget or want to pour your heart into the gift, DIY presents are perfect for creating something truly one of a kind. Suggestions. A jar of reasons you love him. Write down reasons you love or appreciate him on small slips of paper and put them in a jar. Coupon book. Make handmade coupons for things like a home-cooked dinner or a massage. Compile pictures, movie tickets, or other mementos of your time together so far. Why it works. DIY gifts are intimate, showcasing both effort and creativity. 5. Experience-based gifts. If your boyfriend prefers meaningful experiences over material items, plan a day or activity that you can enjoy together. Suggestions. A romantic dinner at his favorite restaurant. Outdoor adventures like renting bikes, kayaking, or hiking. Workshop or class. Sign up together to learn something new, like cooking, pottery, or dance. Why it works. Experiences create lasting memories and strengthen your bond. If you want to get the link to the products, you have to go to the blog article with the description. Combining the gift with a thoughtful gesture. Even the smallest gift can feel grand when paired with a thoughtful gesture. Ideas. Accompany the gift with a handwritten letter sharing your favorite moments. Wrap the gift thoughtfully. Use his favorite colors or add a personal touch. Plan a surprise moment, like presenting the gift during a picnic. Your first Valentine's Day. A chance to celebrate your first Valentine's Day together is an exciting milestone. Whether you go for something handmade, experiential, or practical, focusing on meaning and effort will ensure your gift is a success. Please subscribe to the channel for more ideas and inspiration. Happy Valentine's Day, and here's to making wonderful memories together. Let me know if you need further tweaks.